Chinese scientists have engineered a virus with parts of Ebola in a lab to study the disease, and the symptoms were horrific. According to a study published in Science Direct, team of researchers at Hebei Medical University used a contagious disease of livestock and added a protein found in Ebola, which allowed the virus to infect cells and spread throughout the human body. The group of hamsters that received the lethal injection developed subsystematic disease similar to those observed in human Ebola patients, including multi-organ failure, where the infected hamster developed secretion in their eyes, which impaired their vision and escaped over the surface of the eyeballs. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into a scary topic, the Ebola virus. This nasty bug has caused horrific outbreak in recent years, and now there are whispers of mutant Ebola on the horizon. Should we be freaking out? But hold on, what exactly is Ebola? And how does it spread? What's the point in creating a virus? And can mutant Ebola make things worse? By the end of this video, you will have a clear picture of Ebola threat, mutation, and why staying informed is crucial. So smash that like button and let's get into the topic. The Ebola virus is a terrifying pathogen that causes a sore illness known as Ebola virus disease or Ebola hemorrhagic fever. Ebola virus disease is a rare but deadly disease with high mortality rate ranging from 25 to 90% depending on the strain and access to treatment. Ebola viruses were discovered in 1976 in the Democratic Republic of the Congo and are found primarily in sub-Saharan Africa. People with Ebola disease may experience dry symptoms early in the course of the illness. These symptoms may include fever, chills, muscles ache, headache, and fatigue. As the disease progresses, it can lead to sharp bleeding, organ failure, and death. The virus is spread through direct contact with bodily fluids like blood, saliva, sweat, etc. of an infected person who is showing symptoms. Casual airborne transmission is not a major concern, and there are currently vaccines available for Ebola that can significantly reduce the risk of infection. Now let's talk about mutant Ebola. Why are they creating a virus which might cause pandemic? Well, this thing is common in lab. This is how we create a new vaccine. For example, during corona pandemic, we have taken vaccine against COVID-19, which use a modified version of different harmless virus. The vector is a carrier, which carries instruction for building a harmless protein fragment unique to the COVID-19 virus. The modified virus delivers the gene into your cells. Once inside, your cellular machinery reads the instruction and produces an protein fragment, triggering an immune response as prompting a strong response against COVID-19. What I mean to say is viruses are studied and modifications are also made so that the treatment for the virus can be done. So, do you have to fear? Well, the answer is no. Since they detail the study of the experiment in Science Direct, they have informed everyone that they are creating a virus to study the disease and symptoms. The researchers said that their goal was to find the right animal model that can safely mimic Ebola symptoms in a lab setting. On the other side, many theories say COVID-19 had a natural origin, although it's not proved, but many believe that corona had leaked from biolab, which was in the same region as Wuhan, where COVID-19 came out in November 2019. There is no guarantee this new virus won't be leaked for malicious purpose. The last major outbreak of the Ebola virus occurred from 2014 to 2016 in several West African countries was deadly. According to WHO, those 2 years, more than 28,600 people were reportedly infected and about 11,300 died. The virus spread from West Africa to Europe and even over to the United States. Testing infectious virus is necessary for breakthrough in treatment and prevention. As a workaround, Chinese scientists use a different virus called vesicular stomatitis virus, which they engineered to carry the part of the Ebola virus called glycoprotein, which plays a crucial role in helping the virus enter and infect cells of its host. The study subject included 5 female and 5 male hamsters. The female Syrian hamsters showed decreased rectal temperature and up to 18% weight loss. They all died between 2 and 3 days. Whereas the female hamster lost 15% weight and succumbed to the disease at no later than 3.5 days. However, 2 male hamsters survived and gained 20% more weight than pre-infection. When they harvested the organ of the dead animal, they found the virus had accumulated in the heart, liver, spleen, lung, kidney, stomach, intestines, and brain tissues. There were no any major body parts that has not been affected. Researchers further noted that the experiment provided is a rapid preclinical evaluation of medical countermeasures against Ebola under PLS2 conditions, concluding the study was a success. It is important to note that deadly virus like Ebola needs extremely secure facilities of biosafety level 4. BSL level are like security clearance for germs. BSL2 handles common germs like lab coats for basic protection, where BSL4 is for highly dangerous germs requiring full body suits and earlocks. The study conducted by Hebei Medical University marks a significant advancement in Ebola research, providing a model that can be used for rapid preclinical evaluation of medical countermeasures. This could potentially lead to new treatments and preventive measures against Ebola. However, this research also raised ethical and safety concerns. The creation of mutant virus, even within a controlled laboratory setting, must be carefully monitored to prevent accidental release or misuse. Thanks for joining us today. Let us know what other topics you would like to see covered in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers and tailoring content to your interest. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. If you are new to our channel, subscribe for more amazing content. We will see you on the next one. Namaste.